Now the question is, am I going to repurchase this soap? Do I recommend this soap? Did it work for me? I'm going to answer your questions right now. Hi guys, how are you all doing today? So you all are welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer Chris, and in today's video I'm going to be dropping my honest review on this Kojie skin lightening soap. Just to let you know, this is not going to be a generic review or a general perception about this soap. All right, I'm going to be giving you an honest review based off of my personal experience while using this particular soap. So I'm going to be keeping this very brief and personal. I have heard a lot about this particular bar soap, okay, and I picked interest when I decided to use products that will brighten up my skin, but in a healthy way. Okay, I am not into bleaching of the skin. I don't promote bleaching or whatsoever. Okay, so I saw a lot of reviews, I read a lot, I made my own research about this Kojie skin lightening soap, and I decided to give it a try. Mind you, I have never used this soap before. I have been seeing it, but I was never interested. But because of the particular concerns, the skin concern I'm trying to arrest, I decided to give this particular bar soap a trial, and I'm going to tell you what I noticed while using it. Okay, so this is the Zero Pigment Light Kojie skin lightening soap. Okay, so it promises to give a lighter and even tone skin. Now I have to turn to the back to let you know what this soap contains. All right, so let me read out the ingredients for you. According to what is written here, it said the soap is formulated with high-grade kojic acid that effectively makes skin lighter. It has zero pigments and is supposed to target dark spots and uneven skin tone, meaning that if you have dark patches, dark spots on your body, this soap promises to target those dark spots or those dark areas and make it even with the other areas of your skin. From my personal experience, what I want you to know about this particular soap is that it does brighten your skin. I didn't notice any significant lightening, like, oh, I went from this shade to this shade, or I went from 1 or 2 shades lighter. I didn't notice any significant lightening of the skin, but yes, it brightened my skin. My skin was actually very dull before I started using this product. I mean, I was suffering from dull skin. The appearance was looking very dull, but right now it's brightening up. I have nothing on my face. I just did my morning routine, so I just have skincare products on my face. All right, so this is what it looks like. Can you see? So definitely this soap actually brightened up my skin for sure. It's going to brighten your skin, but it's not like it's going to work like magic or something. It's not going to be significant. Maybe because I just used one bar for now. I don't know. Maybe because I just used one bar. It definitely brightened my skin, but it didn't give me 2 to 3 shades lighter like every other person claims. Secondly, what I noticed is that it's drying. I mean, it will dry out your skin while using the soap. So if you are a dry skin girl, you would want to pair this soap up with a heavy moisturizer or a heavy moisturizing oil. For me, I only use this soap at night. Okay, and after using it, I pair it up with a heavy moisturizing lotion or a heavy moisturizing cream, or I also use it with a really moisturizing body oil because it dries out your skin. Okay, so the third thing I noticed about this particular soap is that it's going to make your skin sensitive. That means that you're going to be sensitive to the sun. It means that once you're using the soap, you must always apply your sunscreen. It is a must. There's no two ways about it. It is a must. Okay, so if you're going to use this soap in the morning, which I would not advise you to use in the morning, make sure that you use a heavy moisturizer, and you're also using a sunscreen, because your skin will become very sensitive to the sun, so it's going to get damaged quickly if you do not use a sunscreen, and that is not what we want. That is not what we're looking for. We're looking for solution, not problems. Okay, so always make sure to wear your sunscreen. The fourth thing I noticed with this soap is that it melts really fast. Okay, so make sure you keep it away from water, because it melts easily. Even when you're using it on your body, you'll be like, this soap wants to finish in the next 2 to 3 days or what. Okay, so yeah, it has this creamy texture. Okay, and I just apply it on my skin. I don't use any form of sponge or anything while using this particular soap. I just apply it to my skin, and that is it. So it has this creamy texture and it finishes on time. That is one thing that I don't like about this soap, because I want it to really last for me. Also, it doesn't come in a big size. It's like, look at my hands. It's not big, it's actually small. The fifth thing about this soap for me is that I do not use it every day. I use it every other day. Why? Because kojic acid is actually a strong lightening agent, and you don't want to be exposing your skin to kojic acid every day. So I use it every other day, and trust me, it will still work for you if you use it every other day. Meaning that I use it today, I skip tomorrow, use it the next day, I skip the next day, use it the next day, if that makes sense. Okay, so by so doing, the soap lasted for about a month. Okay, and I use it only at night. So the soap lasted for about a month. Now the question is, am I going to repurchase this soap? Do I recommend this soap? Did it work for me? I'm going to answer your questions right now. Now, did the soap work for me? Yes, it did. I mean, you needed to look at my skin 2 months ago. It wasn't this radiant. So definitely this soap worked for me. It did not lighten my skin. It did not bleach my skin. It brightened my skin. And it's visible. Okay. So for a space of 1 month, the soap actually worked for me. Okay. Do I recommend this soap? Yes, I do. I recommend it. You can use it if you're suffering from acne or hyperpigmentation, or you just want to brighten up your skin. You can go ahead and use this soap, but please make sure to use this soap the way I said you should use it. Okay, so it doesn't dry out your skin and make it more sensitive to sun rays. So please just use it the way I have mentioned. Okay, now, am I going to repurchase this bar soap? Of course, yes. Of course, yes. Of course, yes. Of course, yes. And of course, yes. Of course, yes. I am going to repurchase and repurchase and repurchase. I have gotten 4 extra. I mean 4 more. And once this one finishes, I'm still going to buy it, because why not? This soap actually did a very good job on my skin, and I love it, and I'm going to get it over and over again. Can you see this? I'm sure this thing already answers your question. Yes, I have repurchased it. Okay, so you guys, I think that is all about today's review. Let me show you the one I have used. Let me show you how I used it. This is what is left of this soap. Can you see? This is what is left. So tiny. And can you use it on your body and on your face? Yes, I use it on my face and I use it on my body, and it's okay. So guys, if you've watched to this point, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video and share this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.